Hello, hi, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the allocation warning in Odoo 19 Timeoff module. So let's dive into the Timeoff module first, and here we can find the allocations. So as we just move on to my time, here we have my allocation where we can create a new allocation. So in Odoo 19, we have a feature to set the warning for the allocation if the allocations are expired. So here you can see that we have the valid period. So I would like to consider the valid period from 2024, January 1st, and um, let me set the limit as 2024, December 31st. So as you just set the allocation over here, you can see that you will be getting a warning that the allocated days cannot be used because the allocation is set to finish in the past. So let me set it as 20, and here you can find it has got paid time off for 20 days. But and this feature has got many advantages and use cases, like we can say that actually the employer has got 20 days time off, but which cannot be used in the future, and these are the days which were allocated in the past. And in Odoo 19, we can easily identify this by getting the warning over here. So this is a new feature in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching the video.